Jai Narayan student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Now myself Nidhi Lal. Today we going to discuss chapter number 2, People as Resource. Student, today we start for Economics class 9, chapter number 2, People as Resource. Now start. This word is people as resource. First of all, introduction. What what the people as resource? Population is an asset for the economy rather than liabilities. It become human capital when investment are made in its healthcare, training, and education. Land and capital are made useful by human capital. That is why human capital is superior to other forms of capital. It means कि what is people as resource, the working population of a country, their existing productive skill and ability are known as people as resource. This word is people as resource. Now start. First of all, overview. I'm already discussed this overview ki introduction. Firstly, population assess for the economy rather than liability, and this word is people as resource. People as resource way of referring to a country working people in terms of existing productive skill and ability. It means that the chapter of people as resource is an effort to explain population as an assets for the economy rather than liabilities. Okay, and population becomes a human capital when there is investment made in the form of education, training, and Medicare. In fact, human capital is the stock of skill and productive knowledge embodied in them. People as resource is a way of referring to a country working people in terms of their existing productive skill and liabilities. And there are two sides of positive sides and negative side. First of all, resources population also is a resource. There are two sides human resource. This is the positive sides of a large population that is often overlooked when we look only at the negative side and considering only the problems of providing the population with food, education, and access to health facilities. When the existing human resource is educated and healthy, we call it human capital formation. That adds it human capital formation that add to the productive power of the country, just like a physical capital formation. So now already we discussed part. Next start. This word is people as a source. This word people as a source, there are two forms. First, human resource and human capital. You can see that, student, this picture is so educating, training, health and skill. This query what is the human resource? So this word is human resource is defined this is the productive nature of population help to develop the GNP. What's the GNP? Gross national product of a country through its abilities. So it is also known as human resource. And human capital, when the existing human capital is further developed by becoming more educated and health, we call it human capital formation. Okay, student. Now very simple word is defined human capital formation. People who are part of the workforce are called human resource. Again words student repeated. People who are part of the workforce are called human resource. Any other resources become useful only by the efforts and skill of the human resource, and thus human resource is significant part of the economy of a country. Investment in human capital, education, training and healthcare are written like an investment in other resources. And first of all, student, are you understood that this word is human resource? A very simple word defined that people who are part of the workforce are called a human resource. And next word is human capital. So this word is human capital is defined the human resource. Why? Because the investment in human capital, education, training and healthcare yield are written like an investment in other resources. Why? Because educated parents invest in their child, investment in their child, the education, health, to secure a better future for him. But uneducated parents, yeah, poor parents are unable to invest on education and healthcare of their children. So this word is the human resource and human capital is clear, student, ki people who are part of the workforce are called human resource, and very easily defined to the two story also. See, people as resource, story of Sakal and story of Vilas. Story of Sakal and story of Vilas, and define the first of all story of Sakal. See, you can see that, student. People as a resource, story of Sakal. See in this picture, Sakal was a 12-year-old boy. Okay, Sakal was a 12-year-old boy, and his mother Sheila looked after domestic chores, and mother name is Sheila. Okay, father name is Bhuta. His father Bhuta Chaudhary worked in an agriculture field, because see, you can see that, student, I am a farmer. Okay, so the his father Bhuta Chaudhary worked on an agriculture field. Sakal helped his mother in domestic chores. Okay, now next, see, in this picture show is the school also, na? Yes. So now Bhuta and Sheila sent a Sakal to the village school. Okay, Bhuta and Sheila sent a Sakal to the village school, from where he completed his higher secondary examination. We will educate our child. Bhuta and Sheila is sent a Sakal to the village school, and from where he completed his higher secondary examination. Now see, story of Sakal. We will raise a loan for Sakal. Why? Because later his father raised a loan for Sakal to study a vocational course in computer. After completion of course, now see, he got a job. Again words repeated. Later his father raised a loan for Sakal to study vocational course in computer. After completion of course, he got a job in private firm. See, we are proud of him, Bhuta and Sheila. So he even designed a new kind of software which helped him increase the sale of the firm, and it is the promotion, and it is the good human resource. And you understood this word, कि this productive nature of population help to develop and gross national product of a country through its ability. It is known as human resource. And same as when the existing human resource is further developed by becoming a more educated, we call it a human capital formation. So same as ki spending resource on education and health for all, and giving a training or industrial agriculture worker for using the modern technology and providing useful scientific research and so on. So finally this is the people as resource. It means ki this story of Sakal ki it is the good job. Why? Because Sakal was I got a job. It means ki Bhuta and Sheila sent Sakal to the village school, and from he completed his higher secondary examination, and later his father raised a loan for Sakal study vocational course in computer. After completion of course, he got a job in private firm. So it is we are proud, both are very proud. Okay, now see next story. See the picture. First of all, already discussed this part ki investment in human capital. So firstly, investment in human capital through education, training, medical aids are written just like investment in physical capital. For example, Sakal also, ki more educated or better training person on a higher income, because they give higher productivity to their employers. Yes, see in this picture, very good education, school, and now very good earning for Sakal, and better job also. So now next story. See this story of Vilas, very story Vilas. See in this picture कि Vilas was an 11-year-old boy, and Vilas' father Mahesh was a die because fisherman also. So Vilas' father Mahesh was a fisherman, and his father passed away when he was 2 year old. And now see next picture. See, and Vilas is nature for I don't like to study. Why? Because we are poor and not send the school also. So his father Gita sold fish to earn money to lead to feed the family, and she bought fish from the landowner pond and sold in the nearby mandi, and she could earn only 20 to 30 day of selling fish. And Vilas became a patient and artist, and his mother could not afford to take him to the doctor also. So it is the mainly example ki it is not good education and better training and better health care also, and not spending resources on education and healthcare for all. And see in this picture now. Next story of Vilas. Hi, I am Sakal friend. Both are friends. Sakal and Vilas both are friends. But Sakal and Vilas' story is comparison to very different. See in this picture, he could not go to the school either, and he was not interested in study also Vilas, and he helped his mother in cooking and also looked after his younger brother Mohan. After some time his mother fell sick, and Vilas are forced to sell fish in the same village. See in this picture, we are poor both and same working both same time very मतलब after some time his mother fell sick, जब वो बीमार पड़ गई, और उसके बाद Vilas was forced to sell the fish in the same village, and he like the mother earned only meager's income. Same as mother and Vilas same working, because not he could not go to the school, and he was not interested in study also, and very poor condition also, and not spending resource on education and healthcare for all. And see in this picture, so this story in differentiate also कि in the case of Sakal, education added to the quality of his labor, okay, and this enhance is total productive in the form of salary, and further added to the growth of the nation economy, like Sakal also. This story of Sakal कि in the case of Sakal, education added to the quality of his labor, and this enhance is total productivity in the form of salary, and further added to the growth of the nation economy, GDP, okay, and GNP also. And but the Vilas story, and in the case of Vilas there was no education or healthcare in the earlier part of his life also, and he spent his life selling fish, or like his mother, same as mother working, because we are poor, and he could not go to school, and he was not interested in study also, and spending resource on education, healthcare for all not effort. So same he earns the same amount and as unskilled labor. Okay student, my words is again repeated Vilas कि in the case of Vilas there was no education or healthcare in the early part of his life, and he spent his life selling fish, and like his mother, hence he earns the same amount as unskilled labor. Next, see people as resource, same working कि well trained, good education, good medical care. So same Sakal is very good, because in the case of Sakal, education, healthcare, good facilities, good education, spending resource on education and healthcare for all, and giving a training also, and to industrial agriculture, good technology, good IT sector also training, and first of all providing useful good school and good facilities, and more educated person to Sakal, and better trained and person, and earn higher income, because they give higher productivity to the employers. But in the same way, Vilas, there was no education. See in this picture, no training, no education, no medical care, and there was no education, no medical care, no training. So in the earlier part of his life, he spent his life selling fish and like his mother, or hence he earns the same amount as unskilled labor. तो आपने इस स्टोरी से यही देखा कि जिसने पढ़ा, जिसने सब कुछ किया, वो एक गुड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन, हमारी इकनॉमी भी इंक्रीज़ होती है। और उस तरीके से आपने सर्कल के एजुकेशंस को देखा, दोनों